You are an experienced marketer, or maybe you're a newbie. Either way, you know how important video is to marketing. And at this year's Content Jam in Chicago, I'm going to show you how to do it better. Are you familiar with Andy Crestodina, co-founder of Orbit Media Studios and Content Jam? Well, in Andy's book, he writes, the video format stands alone as one of the most compelling and powerful formats for content. Yeah, I read the book. So let's dive into video marketing. A deep dive. How about a 3-hour workshop? Yeah, 3 hours. Don't worry, we'll keep it moving. We're going to talk about the different types of videos you can produce. I might show a few examples. We're also going to talk about storytelling and how you can use it to make your videos better. Anybody interested in DIY video? We're going to cover that too. I'll make sure to give you some good tips. And finally, we're going to talk about how to get people to watch your videos and how it all fits into your sales or marketing funnel. So, I look forward to seeing you in Chicago at Content Jam.
Really, it should be a really good session. You should probably come.